Welcome back to the Hibiscus Ohana's kitchen. I'm Elijah. 3 facts about me: is born in Hawaii, raised in Hawaii. That's 1. 2, raised in Hawaii until I never left until I was 20 years old, and that's number 2. And 3, first time I left Hawaii was for the military. Today we're going to make chicken adobo. This will be a little tweak to it as we make it, but if you follow along, if you see the ingredients here, and tell us in the comments what you think. We usually use cane vinegar, the Filipino vinegar, but white vinegar will do because most of us have white vinegar and not a specialty vinegar. So this for the amount of chicken we're making is about 2 pounds of chicken. And so I'm just going to use maybe about a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. I use soy sauce. I'm using low sodium soy sauce, or lesser sodium. It's not really low sodium, but we're gonna use about maybe an 1/8 cup of this. So half the amount of the white vinegar. Optional step that you can put in, optional ingredient, is some oyster sauce, probably about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. So marinate there, and then I'm gonna throw in. We're using chicken breasts. It's a little healthier. We usually it's chicken thighs. I just have 2 chicken breasts, large chicken breasts. They're about 2 pounds. It's cut, each cut in half, so there's 4 pieces, and I'm gonna marinate it for about 5 to 10 minutes in the sauce before I throw it in the pot to fry it. Then we're gonna go from there. And one ingredient that I forgot to mention to put in there is sugar. I'm not gonna use sugar. I'm gonna use maple syrup. Just maybe about a teaspoon of sugar and a equivalent of maple syrup. So a teaspoon we're gonna use. And, I'm just gonna mix it in. The chicken marinating, and as I said, we're just gonna leave this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, I'm just gonna use this thing. Next, I'm actually gonna cut our garnish here. I'm gonna cut the whole thing. This is gonna go on after. I like the white part. If you don't like the white part, you don't have to eat it. You can cut that part out. Use it in your cooking, like fried rice or something. Right, just gonna cut it as a topping. Set that aside. I prepare my garlic. I'm just gonna cut off the ends, and I'm gonna pass it through my garlic press because I don't want to dice it. It takes a little too long. I like it in my sauce gravy that comes out after it. And when it's done, you can have it the flavor all incorporated in it. That was about 5 cloves of 5 large cloves of garlic. I'm gonna dice up some onions. Go with that. Just 1 medium-sized onion.
Okay.
You film the recipe with all this stuff right here? No. This dish, there's a lot of chicken, a lot of meat, just very little vegetables for seasoning. So to give something to our kids to eat, vegetables for our kids to eat, we're gonna make the mashed potatoes, but we're gonna blend some Normandy vegetables in there. So we're just gonna boil everything together, drain it, and blend everything together with our immersion blender until it's smooth. So hopefully they'll eat it. I peel the potatoes. I'm cutting the potatoes because limited time. Smaller pieces cook faster. So that's why I'm cutting my potatoes. There's 2 different potatoes that I have here because I have leftover potatoes of one and I don't want to waste it. Just gotta get it all mashed together anyway. Now you got some carrots, some broccoli, and some cauliflower. So our potatoes and veggies are soft. We're just gonna take it over the sink and strain it. Now that everything's soft, first I am going to use my masher to mash everything up. I'm going to add maybe 4 tablespoons of butter. That, as well as just have on hand that I like to add here is some Parmesan cheese. Maybe about a tablespoon. And I'd like to add mayo in there as well.
Everybody packed up and left already. But don't worry, they'll be back next week.
About 4 tablespoons for now. And mash it up. I'm gonna try to not add too much extra things, so that's a lot of salt already. And we'll mash it up, mash up all the veggies in there to high mask it from our kids. Nice and smooth. Some black pepper. Yeah, the paprika.
Now all George needed was a special ingredient.
And mix it up again. And we're going to taste it to see how much salt we need to add.
Okay.
Well, give it a taste. Give it a taste. Needs a little salt. Just needs a little more salt. Maybe about a teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of salt. It's nice and creamy and veggie, full of veggies, and tastes just like my potato. Good. Okay, our Instant Pot is heated. We are going to some neutral oil. We're using avocado oil. Yeah, just cover the bottom, and we're going to brown our chicken. Now that's been browning for about 3 to 5 minutes on the one side. We're going to flip it over and then brown it for 3 to 5 minutes from the other side. Alright, now that this is done, we're just gonna shut it off. and we're just gonna let it natural release for 10 minutes. Natural release means that it just keeps it sealed for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna quick release it. We're gonna let out all the steam all at once. After 10 minutes, yeah, of it keeping it on. So it's been 10 minutes, as you can see our lock is down, all the pressure came out. Yours may not have done this, but if it's 10 minutes, you can just fast release the pressure, and you can remove your chicken. There is our cooked chicken and our sauce there. If you wanted it more of a thick sauce, you could keep it going and boil it down. I'm gonna grab some of that, put it on the rice and the chicken. So this is our version of chicken adobo, green spring onions. So, what do you think?